Hi family, my name is Azariah, work at home specialist, side hustle and gig economy enthusiast. All the jobs I talk about on this channel either offer you one of three things: time freedom, location freedom, or you have the ability to work from home. I have my handy dandy laptop in front of me filled with all the information about today's latest job opportunity. And today's job opportunity is from Alorica. This company gets 2 out of 3 stars, getting 1 star for time freedom, family. You're able to choose your own hours. And they get another star because you are able to work from the comfort of your own home. If that sounds like an amazing job opportunity to you, because it sounds good to me, please stay tuned, and also please take a moment to share this video with anyone that you know who's looking for a work at home job that offers time freedom. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to my channel to get more amazing job leads, amazing reviews, and the latest work from anywhere content. And hit that like button too so I can continue to do what I do, which is help you get the job that works around your life instead of you working your life around your job. All right, let's get into it. All right, so today's job opportunity again is with Alorica. They are currently looking for agents to assist customers with ordering items and finding their favorite products. Agents on this project are required to demonstrate sales skills while maintaining the best customer service experience possible. On every call, the agents are required to upsell, so your ability to understand the product is essential for this particular job. All right, and it's pretty easy and pretty straightforward, guys. You get a call. Once you get a call, you help the customer find the product. You make a suggestion on the additional product, close the call. Easy. All right. The training, according to the company website, is self-paced. This is amazing, guys. So you train at your own speed. You can take the time and really learn the material without the pressure of someone demanding you understand a particular aspect of the job within a short period of time. According to some of the other reviews, you just log in day or night and you begin going over the modules at your own pace. A few other requirements for this job: you got to have a landline telephone, a laptop, and internet connection. The minimum qualifications for this job is a high school diploma or GED and a minimum of 1 year of customer service or sales experience, but family, it does not have to be in a call center. So any year of experience in customer service or sales in any area of work. And you must be able to work a minimum of 10 hours a week, not too much at all. The pay is up to $9 to $10 an hour at peak times. There is going to be an assessment for this job, and you will have to pass a drug test. If this sounds like a good fit to you or someone you know, please check out the link in the description. And remember, my best life and work advice is to acknowledge God in all you do, and He will direct your path. All right, now go get that job. And I love you, family. Till next time. Bye.